Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool video transition on CapCut PC. So you are just going to grab a photo. I'm just going to select this one, and I'm also going to do the 9:16 frame ratio. You don't have to, but I want to. Add in your text here. I'm just going to type in intro. And I'm also going to change the font size as well. And I'm also going to add in a a glow to it. Then I'm going to go to media library and I'm going to add in a black stock video underneath that. Maybe I'll just have it up to like 2 seconds-ish. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Now you're going to add 3 keyframes, 3 keyframes, one here as well, and one here. So on the second keyframe, you're going to want to zoom in a little bit, and on the last one, you're going to kind of zoom out like so. Okay, I wanted to see if this is too fast. Okay, I think this is a little bit too fast. I'm just going to place it a little bit further from each other. Then in between the keyframes, right click, show keyframe animation, and you're just going to go to the scale one here, and you're going to like select these and go to graphs and select ease in 3 for like all of them. So for this one as well, I guess ease in 3. Okay, I'm just gonna hide keyframe animation and go to video transitions here and type in pull out, and you're just going to add that to your video. You can adjust the transition as well. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!